How to create a pet supplies e-commerce store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by creating your own online store in Shopify to sell your own products. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create your own online store in order to sell your own products. So let's get started by opening a new tab and type in Shopify, and then click on the first link you will have, which is this one. Then you will proceed to creating your account by clicking on start a free trial. As you can see, you can start for free, then get your first 3 months for $1 a month. And after creating your account, you will be headed to this dashboard. This is your dashboard in the platform. As you can see, it's where you can control everything about your store, from the home, orders, products, customers, content, to your online store, to the apps, to the settings. So here you can check your orders. You can check your products as well if you want to add new products, or if you want to delete the ones you already have. You can also check your customers, your content, and all of those things. So here, let's go to the online store. It's where we can customize our store. So let's give it a few seconds to load. So this is where you can customize everything about your store. First thing, let's view our store first to see how it's looking now before customized. So this is our store. This is how it's looking. We have the header in here and the footer, the email, newsletter, the products, and the front page. So let's close this one here. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see the available themes that we can use in order to help us customize our store. So here, go to visit theme store, and you will be able to see all of the themes that are available in the platform. We have 173 themes that we can choose from, but we have only 12 free themes. The other 161 themes are paid. You can't use them without paying. As you can see, distinctive is $320 cost, and motion costs $360. Taste is free. This one is $380, $390, 350, 360, 340, 80, 20. So the price varies, but let's go to the paid ones, or let's filter by the free. We just want to see the 12 free themes. So we're going to choose between those free themes. So let's check to see what is the one that will fit our pet supplies e-commerce store better than the others. So here we have this one for beauty or skincare, another one for skincare, surf products, handbags, backpacks, spotlight. We have this one, studio, taste, craft, crave, publisher, color block. So you want the one that will make us see the product obvious. So I think I'm going to check this one, spotlight. So here, let's click on view demo store to check this theme, and this is how the theme is looking. So I think this theme will do the job. It has the products in the front page. So here, click on try theme, and there wait for it to be added to your online store themes, and just close the first window. You will not need it anymore. So here, let's wait for it to load, and here it is. After it's loaded, scroll down. You will need to publish the theme first in order to have it in your store. So here, click on publish, and here it is, it's published. Let's check view your store to see how it's looking now. So this is how our store looks now. As you can see, we have the products in the front page, and that's all we have in here. So let's go back to start customizing it. Here, click on customize, and this is where you can customize everything about your store. So I'm going to start with explaining the buttons in the corners, starting with this right or with this left corner. So here, let's start from down. We have the app embeds. If you want to embed an application, you can click on here. And then we have the theme settings. If you want to change the logo, you want to change the colors, you want to change the colors in here. If you want to change the typography, you want to change the fonts from inter to mono, for example, you can use mono. Click on select, and here the theme will be changed. We can choose another one. You can go with serif, for example. You can go with, let's go with Arimu, another font, and then click on select, and here you can change the font size scale 100% or more, 120%, or you can just keep it 100%. And here, by scrolling down, you can change the body's inter as well. Here you can change the layout also. Here you can change the layout, you can change the animations, you can even change the buttons shape. If you want to change their, add their opacity, horizontal offset, and those things. Then we have the variant pills. If you want to change them as well, you can do all of that in the theme settings. And when it comes to the store, you can change everything in it in the sections. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.